Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Jang kitu kan si boka in trailang ong doktor Mukul sama. Har lebar senrai ke basau. Kebot nongilam gelang basau doktor. Mukul sama dia menik songsang. Ulang ra ya kimat jengkeli lo jeng penslam bantai engineering college kemudian Ampati. Kati projek belas sedang duk jupor bodang ban hukum menteri rembak anda duk untah kadang sakun. Doktor Mukul ulakan thok naduk tolong jauh serkal kebong balai abadan projek bukongsan jukot ikem badai jeng tu ikut tukan si bun trelang. Ulah pempau bahkan ni kejeng bom ai. Bantai ya kimat jeng ni hikmat kalim persa kapan ya kejeng long baklam burom jong kejeng trelang jong sarkar bat KM ni kalim persa. Nak kalim kami di sira na Ampati. Pakau kun jauh temukul kalkersan kejeng Dawa jong upah. Jong kapung Pynurlong ke college. Kalau pakata kejeng tu engineer ring college. Kadai goreng kamtam ban peli lat di samla puli narilum. Guru banyo ya kejeng nang hak kedang wajrong. Handai hak jawab jong menteri kepuli putih buat kami isang mah. Lokal bak hukum ke baklan handai kamla ban agi jeng pensai ke bawanya. Handai ni kalian utri menteri ulah kiyu habau doktor Mukul ulah yang dua kenok bawa persamaan pemik ke jemplemar. Kan dia jawab kapelong menteri rembak. Conrad sama ban hap syem ya kebentaban pensai. Conrad ong bak PR di tiap projek report jong engineering ladap handai kejeng Pynurlong kalakam penslam mar kejeng kejeng pelut kaban pembiang ya kejeng nungkam besar. Lokular bak sarkar kadang jatuh ban pendap nak kam skam Pynurlong ke projek am tak kejeng mentoi pai ba ari lum garo.
Reply to question number 69, sir. So the physical progress of civil work construction is 25%. B, sir, so total expenditure till that is 15 crore.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, your supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I tried to also find out why this project was getting delayed. There are certain issue because of the location, the approach road and other things. Whether in view of this undue delay, the department has taken cognizance of the factors and is trying to resolve these challenges so that this project can be implemented and be commissioned over a reasonable period of time.
Speaker, so would like to thank the LO for raising this issue, sir. It is true, sir, it's almost 7 years now. The project got delayed. So the problem, as rightly pointed out by our Honorable LO, the location, number one, was the problem because we have to change, I think, 3 to 4 times to the different location site. And so number two, sir, the progress of work of the contractor was very, very slow, and he has abandoned the work. But taking into account, sir, the implementing agency, that is PW, they are very aware of this situation and has been written to the contractor 7 times. And so in the last month, that is 5th of August, the concerned contractor has replied to resume the work at the earliest, and he has committed to complete the work at the earliest. Yes, sir. So as per the department is concerned, we are trying our best to complete the project at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as a state, when we represent a state and are in different parts of the country, different parts of the world, trying to attract investment, etc., it's very embarrassing sometimes. I mean, not sometimes. When we are confronted with this kind of questions, how many engineering colleges do the state has? Yeah. It's a very difficult situation in this era when our children are ready to, pursue this kind of professional courses of education. Look at Andhra Pradesh, how they have leveraged upon their human resources. Go to Boston, USA, you will see maximum from Andhra Pradesh, all with engineering degrees, in view of the fact that job spaces within the country is limited. So therefore, I think we did embark upon this initiative to have number of engineering colleges in Shillong, and in Garo Hills, also in Jaintia Hills. Where are we? I think we have to see that at least these institutions come up and are commissioned. So despite the challenges, can I expect an assurance from the Honorable Minister and the government that on a war footing manner, we will take up these projects? Not only this Engineering College of Ampati, but other engineering colleges also, including College of Architecture and Urban Planning. These are institutions which will enable us to tie up with various industries. Institutions are required. Universities are required. That's why, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think as having, meaning I don't have to enlighten the Honorable Chief Minister, he understands the magnitude of the importance of these institutions, because we are looking for drawing investment, somehow attracting partners. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think the government must be categorical in its response that on a war footing manner, we will see that these projects come through.
Speaker, sir, it is, as Honorable LO is pointed out, it's true, sir. Our state has like such a technical institutions and colleges, sir. So therefore, sir, be it a Shillong Engineering College, be it a state university, as rightly said, be it Ampati Engineering College and CIUP, sir. So we have tried our best. And fortunately, sir, we could start the engineering college Shillong from this year. So the point has been noted as I want to issue the house, so we will definitely work with a war-footing manner to complete the project, this particular Shillong, Ampati Engineering College at the earliest, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are always tempted to say that we have tried our best. We are trying our best. If best is giving us this kind of outcome, then it is not yet best. So with this assurance, I can also expect the assurance to commission and start the Shillong Engineering College as well, though it is not part of the principal question.
Speaker, sir, with Shillong Engineering College, the classes already started, sir.
When was it inaugurated?
Sir, if you talk in inauguration, the infrastructure building was inaugurated in 2023. I'm not wrong, sir. Exact date is not in 2023. So, but in view of some observation of deficiency, and in view of the pending approval of the NCTA, sir, we couldn't start in 2024. But fortunately, sir, we have received the approval to start the course in 2025, and this August, we have already started the classes for Shillong Engineering College.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I put this question categorically because we are not invited. So may we expect that whenever such important, see, engineering college, the first engineering college in the state, and we are not invited. I am a little bit aggrieved, Mr. Speaker, sir. So in future, I think it should be an endeavor of the government that please invite all of us so that we can share the joy of the initiative, because anything that has been initiated by any government, we have to carry it forward. It's a continuity of our responsibilities to fulfill the aspirations of our people.
Sir, if it makes the Honorable LO feel any better, even I wasn't invited, sir. So the inauguration of the building was done. We were keen that the classes should start. So the classes have started, sir. So we have not done a formal kind of inauguration of the thing, because what is important is the classes should begin. So therefore, the building was inaugurated, but we didn't get the NCTA approval. That's why the delay was there. But the formal launching with classes and students, that has not been done, sir. Even I, as I said, I have not been invited for that, sir. Just to but yes, sir, we will, Honorable Minister is mentioning to me, we will do a nice program. And as correctly mentioned, it is actually a very happy moment, I should say, for the state, a proud moment for the state, that the first engineering college of the state has started. And yes, so we will ensure that everybody should be invited to that program.
Srimati Miani, Dishira, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir. we can see that there has been a lot of delay, almost 7 years from the time of sanction of the Ampati Engineering College. So therefore, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the estimates has been revised, because since there's been so much of delay, if the estimates has not been revised, then again further delay might be there. So just wanted to know from the Honorable Minister whether this has been considered.
Speaker, sir. So on the light note, I was also not been invited for the first class. Sir, with that question, sir, no, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister whether this is being considered in view of the timeline, whether the revision of the estimate is being considered by the government?
Speaker, sir, as of now, no, because the contractor will restart the work now, and we will see the timeline and the progress of the work. And now this is to be this is to be decided by the implementing agency. So now as it is, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, whether the approach road has been made for the construction site?
Speaker, sir, not yet.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think if we are serious, if the government is serious on completing the project, I think these are the first considerations that is required to be taken. Now, the Honorable Minister, in the course of his reply, has said that they are doing their best. I think important steps, the basic important steps are not being taken to complete this project. I think it should be taken up in an urgently, and the basic important steps like the approach road and the reason for delay has to be examined. So there was I would like an assurance from the Honorable Minister that all these important aspects will be taken into consideration so that the work can be completed as soon as possible.
Speaker, sir, yes, true, sir. So this is one of the reason of delay. The temporary road has to be constructed by the concerned contractor himself. So every time it was over when the rains comes. So, but however, sir, now the infrastructure, the building itself is getting delayed. As and when the work is on progress, sir, definitely we will take up the matter for construction of the road too, sir.
Right, sir. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for giving me the opportunity. I would like to thank the Minister concerned with regards to the, in fact, I also came to know in the floor of the House that the session have just started in the Engineering College. But may I know from the Honorable Minister the total number of the faculty that have been appointed in the Engineering College? And another supplementary question, whether it is a fact that the building that was meant for the Engineering College was also used for the State University Shillong campus.
Speaker, sir, Honorable Member has put it two questions at a time. But however, sir, the exact number of the staff right now doesn't have with me, so I may require notice for that. But however, sir, the permanent recruitment for the post is yet to be begins now. But however, we have appointed on temporary basis, and we have deployed and we have given additional church some of the qualified teachers from Shillong Polytechnic too. So second question, sir. The second question, yes, true, sir. Yeah, the one floor of the engineering college is being used for the state university for the as a temporary campus for time being.
So it is, I will say that it is sad to say that we have started the engineering college, we have called the students, but as far as the teachers is concerned, till date, no permanent appointment has been made. So I will request the minister concerned and the government to kindly speed up the regularization or the permanent appointment of teachers so that we can expect quality education can come up, not just the engineering college in name. Thank you.
Sir, just to add to the concerns, sir, what was important because the NCTA approvals came, quite after a lot of follow-up from our side, and therefore it did take us time, but we did not want to lose, one academic year. So the idea was really that we should move ahead. Otherwise, we would have lost this one academic year, and even 1 year matters a lot for us, and especially for the students. So keeping the interest of the students in mind and the state as a whole in mind, we have gone ahead with the opening of the classes. But as I said, sir, the recruitment process is already on. So we do expect that this will...
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream, which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!